Hi, I'm Rob, and I'd like to welcome you to this Python for Data Science and Machine Learning playlist on the Cumulus Cycles channel. Before we get started, I want to mention that, as the title of this playlist indicates, the videos in this playlist will focus on using Python in data science and machine learning applications. We will not be using Python for web development, so we won't be covering frameworks such as Django, Flask, or FastAPI. We will be using libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, SciPy, scikit-learn, and Matplotlib and Seaborn. Also, this series is geared more toward individuals with some prior development experience. Finally, I'll be using the following tools and applications throughout the playlist: Python 3 and pip, Jupyter Notebook, PyEnv and PyEnv and Anaconda. I'll post links to the websites for these tools as well as some installation videos I have that will help you get your environment configured. Now, with that out of the way, let's jump into the next video and get started. I hope to see you there.